Mood mists are hydrating facial toners that promote clear complexion and a clear mindset. You can use them as your daily face toner after you cleanse, or before you put on your oil or cream, or even after you put on your oil or cream or makeup to help set it in. Mood mists are made with essential oils and flower waters and distilled water to promote skin purification, skin cell renewal, hydration and toning, and to freshen, as well as support mindfulness. We have two different scents here. We have Sacred Mood Mist, which is made with neroli and pine for skin purification and clarity and alignment. And we have Brighten Mood with lavender and citrus for brightening and freshening and uplifting the skin and mood. Each mood mist comes with its own mantra written on the label to enhance the effects of the essential oils on the mood and mindset, as well as create a mindful ritual around your self-care. The Sacred Mood mantra is, I embrace the divine unfolding of my life. I embrace the divine unfolding of my life. And the Brighten Mood mantra is, I radiate warmth and vitality. I radiate warmth and vitality. You shake them up, you mist above the head and face, let the mist fall onto the skin. I embrace, I radiate. You can even leave these in your purse and use throughout the day. You can leave at your desk at work. You can leave in the car, bring with you, use at the grocery store, whenever you need to freshen and brighten and come back to center.